Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up POCO X6 for a senior person. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then locate additional settings, enter accessibility. Right here I'm going to change to the vision tab, and then we can adjust our display size, which makes basically everything bigger like text, icons and buttons. Let's save it. Then we have magnification. When you activate it, you'll get the accessibility shortcut floating around your screen. It looks like a loop. You can click on that and then click anywhere on the screen to zoom in. Click on the icon again to zoom out. Next is color correction and color inversion. That's a personal thing, so you can enable or disable it if you need it. Then there's remove animations. I would enable that. To remove animations, you will reduce motion sickness when you are using your device. Then there's high contrast text. When it's activated, all of the text becomes much more readable, at least for some people. And as you can see, when it's disabled, everything right here is grayed out, and when we activate it, now it's white. Then there's actually that is all of the settings that I would recommend to activate on this device for a senior person. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.